Did you know that including testimonials of your skills or services can increase your conversions by up to 7x? The reason testimonials and other forms of social proof have such an impact on your sales conversion rates is simple. People are much more likely to trust a person or a company if they see that others, just like them, have achieved real results. No one wants to be that early adopter. In fact, very few people want to be the early adopter and to try something new. Most people want to be part of a success story that's built on a framework that has already been tested and proven to work. So when you gather testimonials and incorporate them into your ads, video playlists, video landing pages, social content, video emails, you will notice a significant increase to your conversion rates. That's because you're providing the social proof your audience is looking for. The reality, though, is that capturing video testimonials, despite being one of the most valuable assets in your sales and marketing strategy, can be very difficult to accomplish. Here's why. Most people will agree to give you a testimonial, but very few actually follow through. They might change their mind, feel uncomfortable on camera, get too busy, or simply feel uneasy using their name and likeness to promote a business. So how can we solve this? The key is to make the video testimonial capture process as easy as possible. We've developed simple technology that allows you to capture video testimonials virtually without requiring a large investment. The best part, when you capture a testimonial using someone's webcam or phone, you get the most authentic testimonial possible, one that doesn't look staged or scripted. To do this, all you need to do is to set up a video reply as a call to action. In fact, we recommend that you create a preset specifically for capturing testimonials. So the video reply button is always visible in your videos. When you send this video to someone, they can simply click the video reply button on your video landing page. This opens up their webcam or phone camera, allowing them to record a video testimonial instantly. Now, one thing we always recommend is providing an example of what a good testimonial looks like. You can do this by creating a playlist on your video landing page that shows examples of testimonials from people who have used your service. As you start collecting video testimonials, you can use them across all your content on your website, in your video playlists, on YouTube, and other forms of social media. You can even create a dedicated showcase page that displays all your testimonials in one place. The more testimonials you gather from your specific target audience, the higher your conversions will be. People will see others just like them who have experienced real results from your product or service. This builds trust and motivates potential customers to work with you, then to refer you to others and eventually become testimonials themselves. Remember, the key with testimonials is following up. Sometimes you'll need to ask someone up to 10 times before they actually submit a video testimonial. Even if they have the best intentions, it still requires reminders and nudges to get them to follow up with leaving your video testimonial. But once you get those testimonials, it's worth it. As mentioned before, they're one of the most valuable assets you can have that increase your conversion rates and allow you to win more clients. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below on how you capture your video testimonials. You'll also find a link in the description to upgrade your Dubb account to a Pro Plus account, where you can join us for live coaching and gain access to all of Dubb's Pro features. We look forward to your success. Thanks, and see you in the next video.